How to build marketing campaigns in HubSpot. Welcome to this video on building marketing campaigns in HubSpot. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to create and execute effective marketing campaigns using HubSpot's powerful tools. Whether you're a marketer or a business owner, understanding how to build marketing campaigns is crucial for driving sales and growth. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create and launch successful marketing campaigns in HubSpot. To get started, you'll need to log in to your HubSpot account and navigate to the Marketing tab. From there, you can access the Campaigns tool, which allows you to create and manage multiple marketing campaigns. To build a marketing campaign in HubSpot, you'll need to define your campaign goals, identify your target audience, and choose the right marketing channels to reach them. First, let's define our campaign goals. What do you want to achieve with your marketing campaign? Is it to generate leads, increase website traffic, or boost sales? Once you've defined your goals, you can start thinking about how to reach your target audience. Who are they? What are their pain points? What motivates them to take action? Next, you'll need to choose the right marketing channels to reach your target audience. HubSpot offers a range of channels, including email, social media, and content marketing. You can also use HubSpot's lead scoring and lead nurturing tools to personalize your marketing efforts and increase conversions. Once you've chosen your marketing channels, it's time to create your campaign content. This can include blog posts, social media posts, email newsletters, and more. Make sure your content is relevant, engaging, and optimized for your target audience. Now that you have your campaign content, it's time to set up your campaign tracking and analytics. This will allow you to measure the success of your campaign.